Horses out of Cole Harbor as to begin moving up on the outside now. Magna Carta, Pritil alongside third and followed by Sulong Pinoy. Señorita Alessi, High in Action and Gran Torino is the early trailer. We have Cole Harbor by Ralenganehapa. Magna Carta now moving up to take second alongside third Pritil. Then 3 lengths in fourth Sulong Pinoy. A long way back to Señorita Alessi. High in Action and Gran Torino. We have Cole Harbor by Oranek and on the outside is Magna Carta. Pritil alongside third and followed by Sulong Pinoy in fourth. Cole Harbor by ahead. In between horses is Magna Carta. Pritil alongside third and Sulong Pinoy. Now we have Magna Carta by Awan Hapalengka. Pritil is on the outside second. Then in third, Cole Harbor. Then comes Sulong Pinoy. And it's still Magna Carta and Pritil fighting it out for the lead. Sulong Pinoy is racing in the last. They come down at the last 150. Magna Carta is running by the rail. And on the outside is Pritil. Magna Carta by Ralenganehapa. Pritil still in second. But it's still Magna Carta by about 3 lengths. Pritil, Sulong Pinoy entering the finish line. Here is a future superstar, Magna Carta. Sulong Pinoy, Pritil, then comes Cole Harbor and Señorita Alessi.
All right, 4, 6, 7, 2, 1.